When I was out shopping yesterday, I noticed these egg noodles were in the reduced section. So I thought, why not? So I bought some bean sprouts and some king prawns too. And you can find more recipes like this in my friend's book. I'll leave a link. I'm also going to need some dark soy, some light soy, and some sesame oil, which is only a finishing oil. Also some salt, MSG, and ground black pepper. But first, make sure your wok is really, really hot. Smoking. And only then I'll add some oil from my oil saver stroke strainer, which I'll leave a link to. You can get one of these easily. And then you'll see just how hot that pan is. Add some chopped up onions and just colour those for about 20 seconds. And then you can add the MSG, ground black pepper and salt. That's a half a teaspoon of each. And then add the noodles. And if they stick together, just finger them so they all come apart nicely. Give them a toss or two and leave them to scorch a little bit to get that lovely authentic Chinese flavour. But it's not only about the flavour, because every time you toss them or turn them over with a spoon, you let some of the heat out, and you don't want to do that. When they're nicely scorched and heated all the way through, then it's time to add the prawns. These are already cooked prawns. You can use the grey uncooked ones. Just make sure that everything's cooked through properly before you serve them. And the next thing I want to do is add a little bit of light soy sauce. And then I'll add a drip of dark soy sauce. I like mine not too dark, so I don't put so much in. You might want to put twice as much of the dark soy in as I do. You see, that's about a teaspoon, even less. And then toss it, make sure it's heated all over before you finally add the bean sprouts on top. I'm only using half a bag of bean sprouts, which is about 100 grams per person. Once the bean sprouts have softened and they're hot, all you need to do is to finish off with a little tiny dribble of sesame oil for flavour. Never cook with sesame oil, always add it as a finishing sauce, finishing oil. Serve and enjoy. And if you do try this recipe for yourself, let me know what you think. And just in case you're interested, Zhang's book, as you can see in that background, is available on his store, but I'll leave a link to his TikTok so you can subscribe to him if you want. And if you want to see more like this, don't forget to follow, leave a comment to let me know what you think.